如果没有减 e 的话
Okay, so question you see, if you want to find angle, then you have to use sine -1. If you have to find the side,
then you reduce.
yes, you see? You see, then use sine -1. See this? Why? Then you just use sine -1 because you see here it's actually opposite, and then so hypotenuse. So sine 55, you already get sine 55 is how much, right? Then after that, you actually find out. You see 2, you don't know why, because opposite 2 divided by y equals to this, right? So now what you need to do is that 2 divided by sine 55, then you get your answer. So now there's actually 2 patterns here. One is
减 e
which is you want to find.
angle.
Okay, then the other one is without
Side.
Side, okay. One very important thing. Your teacher definitely will draw you formula. Confirm, Confirm, okay. Vector. Are you familiar with vector? Very familiar, confident, 100%. Okay, so today what we learn is
两个总第一面的东西，
tell me what did you learn then?
两个总判。rationalize 东西。
Okay, so rationalize what you do. What do you do?
乘上一乘它的 denominator。
然后乘了过后 denominator 变什么 ？denominator will become
那个号码
will become that number. So like for example, let's say square root of 5.
times square root of 5 equals 5。
Okay. Then up there you will need to also times with
的上面的东西。
Okay. Then what if it is square root of 3 minus 1 as a denominator? What do you need to times with in order to rationalize it?
plus 1
Only plus 1?
square root of 1
Why?
因为它哪是比例
Why?
它在派
I said, but
然后嘞
why do square root of 2 plus 1 rather than minus 1?
因为你要得减 e
You want to take away not minus 1, you want to take away the pi. You want to take away the square root. You want to take away the square root, okay? Okay.
don't pause that.
Average speed. I think speed here, right, the only problem that you have is carelessness. This one, you have to read the question carefully. Like for example, takes 3.5 hours and there is 2 stops of 15 minutes. This is actually key information in the test highlighted or underlining. See, for the whole journey, that means 3.5 hours plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes, and total 4 hours. When it is moving, then 3.5 hours. You have to be careful, okay? Okay, solve the linear equations. Means what?
你要我做哪个？
What did you learn?
怎样解释？
You can explain why. So if I want to make like something disappear, what do I need to make disappear first? And then how do I make it disappear?
make what disappear.
Like for example, let's say I want to move P from here to here.
Then I minus it.
Minus what?
Minus p on both sides.
Correct. So for example, if I want to divide something,
Something.
let me put it in another vector equation. let's say this one. I wanna take away the denominator. What should I do?
Times 3.
Where?
Both.
Correct. So this is what you need to do. You just need to make sure that things are actually correctly at the same time, at the same position, and you have your step by step. Remember, don't eat your eggs. You always like to eat your eggs. Okay. Then next part. This one you have no problem until here. I don't know why, but this one you can now. Yep, true. And then when you see it like this, right, it's actually
Times.
it doesn't matter. So you just like do whatever that you can. Okay. Then what is 6 power of 0?
1.
Correct. Then if it is 4 minus 2, right? The other way, 4 power of minus 2, what is the other way of writing it?
E C squared.
Yep, correct.
那给啊
Because
cancel record 一下。
okay, it's up to you then. He's coming in behind.
他拍我罢了，他没有拍你。
那就好了。
What?
He said, he only record me, he don't record you. Okay.
เสียงเราเริ่ม
So
You don't take.
you say you're confident with vector, so I'm not covering it, make sure you get 100%. If not, what will happen? Cannot take iPhone to school 1 week. Recorded already, yeah.
1 week I only take 1 day.
Yeah, 1 day. Painful, not painful อ่ะ ก็ได้ two weeks แต่
因为拜五是，如果我用电话，我是在罗素放学后用，不过拜五我早回家。
so so 2 weeks อ่ะ
1 week.
Okay 咯 then you say like the circle right circumference would they provide the formula for you
不难啊。
do you remember the formula
Cannot post on YouTube 啊。Cannot post on Facebook also.
so ค่าตัว what is all
Sin
equals
opposite divided hypotenuse
ค่า
cosine divided adjacent divided
ตัว
นะ
ตัว
tangent opposite divide adjacent.
okay
Okay.
basically that's it so tomorrow see at 5 o'clock in the morning
ฮะ ฮะ
why I see him at 5 o'clock in the morning
after you guys
มา好了
6 or 5
6 or 5 oh yeah sorry I'll see you 6 o'clock in the morning right
You finish
you should review เสียง
already.
you have confidence
if less than
He asked me himself, and you said I can wake up late tomorrow.
if you have confidence
it looks okay now but what I'm afraid is that you are there to guide him then he can do when I'm not beside you then he cannot do will it become like that or not
only 2 options เสียง you decide
Will not.
huh?
It will not
will not what
become like this.
but I think if you not review tomorrow morning also tomorrow evening you also need to review one more time
between
because if
Today I learn with him. Tomorrow I have to learn with him. Wednesday I also have to learn with him.
yeah
hey I'm the one who is actually like direct to teach you know I
We
didn't
both
even
we
complain
both have trouble. You don't make more, ah.
what you mean trouble the more you meet the more you love each other จุด Okay.
So,
Xiang, you thank you Coco already.
morning or evening?
Will Coco prepare almost 2 days, Xiang.
Evening.
What time?
我不想再这样早醒了。
What time?
You go to the test tomorrow, you will know your result already, Xiang. Half of your score will come from tomorrow, half of your score will come from the day after, right? Right?
I don't know how the scoring system works.
Normally it should be half, Xiang. Xiang say slowly, thank you to Coco, Xiang.
Thank you.
Blah.
8点吗？
8点晚上？
是上课时间吗？
Can, no problem.
Really appreciate you.
No problem.
到几点？
Huh?
到几点？
It depends on how well you think you do. But if I whatever I throw to you, then you can answer it, no problem. You really write a lot today, you know.